2024 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.